What's up, guys? Guys, don't watch Bedford. As you don't know, me I moves everything open at the place or open at the ear, I should say. Yes. How are you guys doing today? No long to see me look cute face, not true. Yeah, guys. So my little sister come up and reason why I jump on today, because I never plan for do not upload or anything like that. So my little sister come me just now with a little thing where spark up a little conversation and thing, right? And I know much people might not hear this video, most young persons might not hear this video, see this video, or come across it by any point. But if it do even reach 1 and 2, it would be so good, you get me? But young people yeah, I'm gonna have to touch up camera and come back. Young people, you have to be careful. Females, you have to be careful. Yeah? You have to understand that these people were out the road, we want to cause no harm. Will go through extreme measures to do so. Yeah? She come with my little sister come with a little thing, right? Say she hear about her work where this person from the US apparently buy a hotel or something like that and need some workers. You need about 30 Jamaicans, right? So what happened is them maybe them go look them own visa, I'm gonna send them whatever it is required to get the visa, and them go pay for them plane fare, and them go come and work on a work permit for like 4 months, because them have to go end up no them work for 4 months. So me I say to her, I say, so why 4 months? She say him say because of the that them not come from the country, and so them have to go back in a for them country, right? So me I say, but if I have it correctly, I might not have it correctly 100%, but if I have it correctly, I think that on a work permit allows you to travel to another country and work there and pay tax. I'm not really 100% sure about the pay tax part, but work for a period of time, not 4 months, because if my memory serves me correctly, you're allowed to spend up to 6 months in the US. So I don't understand that, right? She say, boy, the girl say she go look her visa and her family and so and so and so. And I said to her, say, see them people here, what them try to do is to try to tell them always have inside source, them always have somebody who work on the inside, them have an inside man, right? And that inside man I go try to convince you. Them go try to sell you a story to tell you, say, yo, me do it and it work for me anyway. You can go, you can make money, you can help your family them, and so and so and so. Come in, man, and you leave your yard thing, say you left to go for a better opportunity and you never return. You have never been, you are gonna never get the chance to even say, Bombard, me shouldn't go. Nobody not see you, nobody not hear from you ever again. You have to be careful of these people. Them people here try so many different ways. Me say twice, so if this man just open my hotel, him just a try, or him just a start and open my hotel, right? Why him a go take so much money for recruit people from Jamaica to come? Say I know only Jamaica alone. Sorry for the ear nice outside of junior watch football. I say I know only Jamaica alone, but true him here say him true knows the Jamaican people them, you know, the country need help. Me I say what? That is what them do. Them go and try to reach out to persons from the country, them like what them would I say now, them what them classify as low class or poor countries, and try to tell the female them or try to sell them better life or better opportunities, and when them left and go, nobody to see or hear from them again. We don't have to wise up, we don't have to think about it, we don't have to think about some things before we move, and everything on the ear enough to run and follow, because some of the time I trick them, I trick you know. Majority of the time I trick them, you know. Because him just open a hotel. Him open a film hotel, you know where hotel is for do? When him recruit the people them from other countries for come there, and them no, their parents and family no see or hear from them again. You don't know what happened. You don't know where them gone. So the people them where do that get cash. Don't it? Government got ask so them get money from. What them have to do? Run it to a hotel and say the hotel them get the money from. So if you do look up a hotel and you might see it for you and say, yeah, that hotel there for you and it real and so and so and so. Now if you think about things, nobody now go do that. It is so much cheaper for him to hire persons in the US than send for other people from different country. You don't have to think. No, because a man I said, yo, I'm a family, and him say we can make this or we can make that or we can do this or we can make that. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to think about it. You have to remember, say, them have to have an inside man to try to convince you. When she go, she get through everything all smooth and Nancy for she. You run gang follow. When after you, them nobody know hear back from you again, she come back again, come do the same thing, we get a next group of people, you know. You have to be careful. Think before no act. Because we hear the people run gone and all of them things, you have to be careful. You have to remember say evil people out there want to harm you. So you have to try to look out for yourself. Try to be safe, try to think, try to be vigilant, try to make sure say, oh, you're not falling in a trap. Anything that sound too good to be true is not true. Alright. So as I say, I don't want a long video, but if you say something to me about it, but just say, you know what, I'm gonna bring it up and tell you to say, you need to be careful, not make nobody come home to settle on a story. Telling about them people, them own business place, yes and them want workers and them want to come work. You have to watch documentary. When name Netflix and some of them have a lot of documentaries. When you TV shows and stuff like that. You know the thing when you see that TV show them if you don't go second year so. So you have to be careful, you have to watch them thing them man. See me love watch them type of something there. So my no easy you can't trick me easy. Nobody can trick me easy. So you have to watch and look up on them something there. And see how much people in a Colombia and all different parts of the world, Jamaica, different part of the world, whole heap of people, yeah, so them left them country for better opportunity. Them here say them will get hotel work, or them here say them will get this, or them here say them go make money for do that. And because them reach out to poor countries or countries that them consider to be poor, right? The people them glad for gone because they must say, yeah, me can get a little change, me can use it and help out mama, and me can use it help daddy, and me can use it and help make mommy help take care of my people them and me go seek better opportunity and all type of things. Anything will come too easy is not real. Anything will come too easy. And I say it's too good to be true. So now have to wise up. Some keep on say it, wise up. Now have to be careful. And them people that will bring them argument, the tune will say, oh, I have a family where do this, and I have a family where do that, and you want this and that, and don't go nowhere with them by yourself. Because if them can't catch you in the way there, then we catch you another way. So you come here, you go in the year, say you come here, go on a buses now, you left and gone a buses. Them car, yo, you know, say me and her, they are buses here, so. When you look, car pull up on your foot, she scream out like, ah, she don't know I want to marry him, take the two of her, but you better let her go back. Guess what happened? Few people in their police station and report him missing. So now have to be careful. Them something are serious out them man. And them people are try means and ways to harm people. So I have to be careful my people and I see it. So remember, always I say, if you like, comment, subscribe and share up the videos. But say it's not a vlog because I don't know the thing I heard him telling me say. Yeah, skiddo. You see it, so I try pack up and try to get everything together by the weekend so we can just motion. So guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe and share up the video then. Share up. So Until the next time, guys, and remember, as me and Junior always say, me I beg you, please just remember to stay safe.